I already made a video about the making of 8D sound. Many comments have came about the language of that video. So I am making this video in English language again for the viewers outside India. Multi-dimensional songs are made by adjusting the frequency of the song. So we need a frequency adjusting application. So we are choosing WavePad editor. This WavePad editor application's download link is given in my video's description. Also, this is available in Play Store. Here I am going to use a non-copyright music. Here we have an option to add our music. We can import from our audio library. And now we are going to add this song to our editor pad. So just click that song. It's been adding to our editing pad. Please wait some time for adding it. As it's been added to our editor pad. Here we can see an effect option on the top bar. And click that. Then next we have to search for stereo pad, and after selecting that, now we have to click the option set flat. Now the frequency line is straight. Now to set the dimensions, we have to select preset option on the left bottom part, and after selecting that, we have to select slowly pan from left to right, that the frequency line will be aligned from left to right in a slope. Now we have to adjust the slope, that we have to select a point and keep that point to the bottom part of the line, and select another point and keep that point to the top part of the pad, and align it in a zigzag manner. We should align it like a wave, so we can experience an multi-dimensional sound. If we align the amplitude points to a shorter distance, we will get a more accurate multi-dimensional sound, that the surroundings will be so fast. We can't recognize the dimensions of our music without a headphone or a stereo speaker set. So we have to plug in our headphones. And now I am going to press the option apply. That these settings have been applying, and we will now get our music. This is our music. Let's save it. After saving that, we have to play it using a headphone or a stereo speaker. Now it have been saved, and we have to save this in our folder. So we have to select this song and export. We can export to our any folder in our phone. So I am now exported to my favorite folder, and it's now exporting, and it's completed. It's so easy to make this 8D sound or 5D sound with this application. We can also use many other applications for making this 8D sound. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.